College of Music and Drama. I've been there for 4 years. I'm graduating this July.
My name's Jason. I study at the College of Music and Drama. I'm in my 3rd year, currently going to my 4th year.
I mean, we both study classical music at the Royal Welsh. I picked to study classical because I thought it gave me a really good, grounding for all of it. But we both also like to play in musical theatre. I came from a pop rock background, so I did progressive rock and stuff, and that was really cool. Mine's got to be the Foo Fighters, because my dad was a big fan, so I kind of grew up with them. I have seen them before actually, and they were great, so they're going to have to be my favourite.
Mine's definitely Billy Joel. Just the piano for me. He's the piano man.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
I mean, it brings people in, it keeps the centre busy, keeps us being able to do stuff like this. And it's nice to have bigger names around. I think people get quite excited about it, which is nice.
Yeah. It's also nice just to bring people together and then enjoy the music.